Hello everyone, have you struggled to select specific data in your worksheet because some of the cells are merged? In this sheet, I have sales volume data and cells in rows 1, 11 and 20 are merged and centered. To solve this problem, I will show you a better alternative of using merge and center option. First, select all the rows with merged cell. So I've selected row number 1, 11 and 20. Go to Home tab and click the drop down arrow next to the merge and center option. Select unmerged cells option. The selected merged cells will now be unmerged. Now to center the text without merging the cells, select these rows again. Press Ctrl 1 to open the Format Cells dialog box. Go to Alignment tab and in horizontal drop down, select Center Across Selection option. Click OK. The text will now be centered across the selected cells without merging them. Now you can easily select specific data in your worksheet. If you like this quick tip, press thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of new videos. Thanks for watching.